Good day everyone, I am Rana Jane Austria, BSc 4B MAPE. In our lesson for today, we will talk about the curriculum design models. Generally speaking, a curriculum can be organized either horizontally or vertically. Horizontal organization means that the direction of the curriculum elements is sideways. For example, the subject social studies move horizontally along history, geography, civics, and culture. Taking contents in mathematics and relating these to science is also an example of horizontal curriculum design. On the other hand, using the vertical arrangement or sequence of curricular elements follows a vertical design. For example, in social studies content, putting the family ahead of the topic community is vertical articulation. Or in science, the vigor of living things comes ahead of topic on plants and animals. So at the end of this lesson, the student should be able to define the subject-centered design model, explain and identify the types of subject-centered curriculum. The curriculum design may also follow the following structure. The subject-centered design model. This model focuses on the content of the curriculum. The subject-centered design corresponds mostly to the textbook written for the specific subject. Henry Morrison and William Harris are the few curricularists who were firm believers of this design. In this instance, schools divide the school's hours to different subjects, such as reading, grammar, literature, mathematics, science, history, and geography. In the Philippines, our curriculum in any level is also divided in different subjects or courses. Most of the schools using this kind of structure aim for excellence in the subject matter content. These are the few examples of the subject-centered curriculum or the subject-centered design models. Subject design. In this design, there are two sample questions to which the teacher and the learner can easily give an answer. What subjects are you teaching and what subjects are you talking? It is so because they are familiar with the subject design curriculum. Subject design curriculum is the oldest and so far the most familiar design for teachers, parents, and other laymen. According to the advocates, subject design has an advantage because it is easy to deliver. Complementary books are written and support instructional materials are commercially available. Teachers are familiar with the format because they were also educated using the design. In the Philippine educational system, the number of subjects in elementary education is fewer than in the secondary level. In college, the number of the subjects also differs according to the degree program being pursued. However, the drawback of this design is that sometimes learning is so compartmentalized. It stresses so much the content that it forgets about students' natural tendencies, interests, and experiences. The tendency of the teacher is to pour in so much content in learners so that the student become simply the empty vessel that receive the information of the content. Discipline design. This curriculum model is related to the subject design. However, while the subject design centers only the cluster of the content, discipline design focuses on academic disciplines. Discipline refers to specific knowledge learned through a method which the scholars use to study a specific content of their fields. A student in history should learn the subject matter like historian students in biology should also learn how biologists learn. And so with the students in mathematics should learn how mathematicians learn. In the same manner, teachers should teach how the scholars in the discipline will convey the particular knowledge. That's all. Thank you for your listening.